Hello and welcome to this Shopify tutorial for beginner series. In today's video, we'll see how to add collection in our Shopify store. So if we go to the products, as you already add products, and if you see in that area there is an option called collection, right? So what collection means? So let me show you one example. So this is one of my client store that I've worked with. So if you see this website and if you go down, you can see shop by category. So the category and collection is the same things. So what this do in our store, it actually organize product based on the type of the product, category of the product. Like if you see, they have the category of bracelet, necklace, rings. So if people click on any of the bracelets category, they only will see the products only related to bracelet that this store have in there for people to choose and people to buy from. So people based on their interest, they can go to any of the category they want and they can choose their desired products. So it is making the life of the choice of the our customer easy to navigate to our store. So if you have suppose you have 100 products, so if you don't have any category or collection, then people don't have the organized or user friendly option to go through each of the product categories. Okay, so this is the way to organize your products. So if people come to one of your store, then they can choose the product based on their interest. So same goes for the AliExpress. If you go to AliExpress, Amazon, any of the world most popular e-commerce site, then you will find that they have organized their product based on the categories, and this is only applied for the multiple product store. This is not something you will do with one product store, which is also very popular in Shopify. So let's get started how you will add collection in our Shopify. And also please do smash that like button, subscribe to the channel so it reach to the more people in the YouTube store. To add collection we will need couple of products. So with two products, one products, you cannot make collection, right? So for that, to make our life easy, I will put a link of a file of couple of products. You can click the link in the description and you will come to this Google Drive link CSV file. Then you just need to download it in your local computer. Okay, just download it and it will download a copy of the file in your computer. So I will show you what it will do. Either you can add the products manually, multiple products, or you can just upload these sample files products, so we can progress through the tutorial. So I can show you how to add collection with multiple products. So after you just download the products, we will import those products in our store. So what export means, you will export all the products from that store and you can import that another store. And import means you already have a files of couple of products from any of your supplier or anywhere from another of your store. Just like I am providing you with a CSV file, you can just import it in your store and all the products will be added with the name, price, etc. So then click on the import, then click add file, and then upload and open the file that I will be provide in the description. Then click upload and continue, and this will take some time to be uploaded the product in our store. And then click on import products, then it will can take some time to import all the products in our store. So let's get see. So it may take some time to import those products. So after that, you will see that the products has been added from the CSV file that we have imported earlier, right? So you can see these are the products that we already have added. So right now we have 30 products and 20 products has been added from this CSV file. So we can create some collection. So let me tell you the basic of the collection. So if I go to this product, this kids OD that we have added in the previous tutorials. So if I go to this product, we know that the product have a title, some description, some images, price, everything. But to add that to the collection, we need to give it some tags. Okay, for the identify of the product, like this product may have a tags of OD, may have a tags of kids, so it is a kid product. Okay, so we can give those tags for that product, so it is related to the products. Same type we can give it some type, like what the type of product it is. It is type of products related to kids, right? We can give the product type as well. Then you can see that the text has been added. Okay, so this is the tags has been added. We can add the collection based on the tags. So same goes for all of the products. If your product needs to have some type or tags, like the product that you have imported, if we go to the each product, what we will find? We will find that this product have some type, had some tags. Okay, had some tags. So tags, having a tags or type is necessary to give it a, to assign it to a collection. Okay, so make sure that you provide some tags to your product so we can add them to a collection based on the automatic or manual, what we will cover now. So if you see those products, these products has ultimately divided into few types like necklace, rings, bracelets, etc. Okay, so let's go to the collection and let's open the products in another tab. So then after going to the collection, we need to click on the create collection. Then we need to give this collection a name. So suppose we are making this for the bracelets. Okay, so let me show the bracelets. Spelling is correct. Okay, BRA. Okay, so basically you can give some description about the collection as well. So now come to the collection image. You can give some collection image, the featured image for that collection. So right now I am only adding a demo image. You can do that. Then we have this option like collection type. The manual things, we will assign those products manually, and with automated we will assign those products automatically based on tag. Like the necklace products, the bracelet products have the tag of bracelets. Like if I add bracelet, you can see it is automatically suggested me. So these are the tags that will be added to that product. So you can choose all condition, we can give multiple condition, add bracelet products, the tag that have bracelet. Another condition will be add price that is greater than $50, that is greater than $20. Okay, but right now we will provide tag with all condition or any condition. Okay, then if I click on save, so have a look. So if I click on save based on the tag that is bracelet, and if I now click on view, so it is asking me for a password. So where I can find the password? So let me cover this as well. Go to online store and then go to the preference. Go to the preference. As this is a development store, it will be password protected. Then copy this password and then paste it here. Click on enter. Then again go back. We will go back to the collection again that we have made. So go back to the collection once again and click the bracelet and then click the view now. So now you can see that the products of bracelet has been added, but it is only one product has been added. Maybe the tag that we have given is not correct, so it should be bracelets. I think it should be bracelets. Okay, so click on save now. There are no product. Okay, so I think what we did, what is, so if you see that this is the product that have bracelet, so only the one product have bracelets, another have bracelet, but this does not have the quantity. Okay, so let me change it a bracelet to neck. So if you see there is some another tag which is called necklace. So you can see this is the tag. So you can see this is the tag necklaces. So if I now chose this and click save, it will be your own tags that will be showed here. Now you can see two products is showing based on that tag. Okay, now we can also do that manually. Like if I go back to the collection again and click on create collection and give this collection a name, necklace. Okay, then if I scroll down and click on manual, so after clicking on manual you can click on save, and after clicking on save you can add products manually. Like type a product name, then the product panel will be showed. Okay, then you can choose whatever product you wanted to add for that collection, for that specific collection manually. Like I wanted those products to be added for that collection manually, so I'll click on add and this product will be added. Right, so this is the thing. Then if I click view on the product, then you will find that this collection has been, these three products has been added for that collection. Okay, now you can also do the, you can see this product is showing first, this product is showing second, this product is showing third. You can also do that order manually as well. Click on manually and now you can drag and drop those order manually. Like if I want to make this one the first product, I'll just drag it to the top. Now if I save and if I just view, you can see this is now the first product. Before it was this one in the first product. So you can do the ordering as well manually. So these are the two things to do. One is automated and next one is manually. So Automated is based on the tags or types that we are using inside the product, and manually we are assign those products manually. Also, we can add the product to a collection individually by going to that product. Like if I go to this product, then what I can do, I can scroll down to that product and I can go to this collection option and I can choose whatever collection I just wanted to edit. Like if I want to edit to bracelets, I can do that as well, but bracelet is not showing for some reason. So let's give it a save and go back to the collection again. Okay, so I cannot add the bracelet there because the bracelet is not added for the manual purpose. Okay, for the manual option that we have added, we can assign that to that product, but this product will be only the future product that have the necklace tags will be automatically added to that product. Okay, so right now this product have two products, but if as future products have the same tags of necklace, there that the collection will be automatically updated to 3. Okay, so let me show you that. If I go to this product and for example let me go to this mask product and let me add the necklace text to that product. So let's go down to this option and put the necklace tag for that product and click on save. Though this is not a necklace product, so right now as you can see in that where the tag is necklace, the collection right now have two products, but as I added necklace tag to this product as well, if I refresh it right now, you will see that there will be 3 products shown instead of 3 because I have added a necklace text to another product. So any future product that will be added the same text, the collection will be automatically updated. You don't need to do it again because it is automated process. So this is the thing here to remember. Another thing is you can also do this order by manually. So if I refresh this panel right now, it will have the 3 products because we have added the necklace text to another product. Right now you can see the mask is also added to the necklace collection. So now I can do the manual ordering. Like if I want this product to be shown fast in that listing, I can just drag it to the top and then I can click, it will be automatically saved. Now if I view it, you will be seeing this product has been added in the top position. So there is some condition you can do, all condition, you can do any condition based on whatever you need. As I said, you can add 2-3 condition. Like all condition will be the tag should be necklace. Another condition will be the products of the necklace tags which have the greater price than $40 will be added to that collection. Okay, so this can be also added. You can add with the type as well. Everything can be done based on your requirements. And the collection image that we have is not showing because we did not do customize it inside theme. So this is the thing with the theme customization, which will be covered in the future video as well. So hope this helps. If that helps, do smash that like button, and if you have any confusion, let me know in the comment as well about Shopify collection, so I can clear those confusion and also can make a future video as well if you need a specific things to cover in the future video. So thank you very much for watching the video.